How to turn off back tap on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. Here, scroll down to the end and go to Back Tap. Using Back Tap, you can double or triple tap on the back of your phone to perform actions quickly. As you can see, the Back Tap feature is currently turned on. Over here, tap on Double Tap. And then, select None. You have now successfully turned off the Back Tap feature. Following these steps, you can easily turn off Back Tap on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.